All right, today I have organic Black Maca. This is made by Mother Nature, and I'm going to show you how to make this according to the instructions on the back of this. Now, this is organic Black Maca, different from regular maca. It's a superfood powder, raw, organic, and it says Peruvian, from the country of Peru. And of course, you see this is vegan, made in Peru, gluten-free, and non-GMO. If you look on the top of it, it shows, I think that's a maca root. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open this up. But first, I'm going to look on the back. It says one serving size is 1 teaspoon. And there's 91 teaspoons servings per container, or 91 teaspoons of black raw maca in here. Now, on here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make some of this. So I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon inside of water. Now, some people mix this into things such as shakes and smoothies. However, I'm not doing that today. And it also says that it's great for desserts and recipes. I'm making a recipe. And some people blend it in with oatmeal. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And right away I can smell the fresh, fragrant smell of the Black Maca. It has a very fragrant smell, very pleasant smell. And I'm going to take 1 teaspoon size, approximately, and I'm going to place it into the water. Now, with my experience with Black Maca, once you put it in, it gets thicker as it absorbs water. So you want to make sure that you have adequate amount of water inside of the glass when you're mixing it. And it wouldn't be a bad idea if you let it sit for a while, allow the maca to reconstitute the water so it's not so thick and it dissolves, possibly assisting with the digestion. All right, so now that I have this mixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drink this Black Maca right here. It's a full glass of it right here. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. There's a pleasant flavor to it. Slightly sweet, a hint of sweetness to it, but not as if you added sugar to it, which it didn't add sugar to it. But has a pleasant taste. Probably be good to add to smoothies or some other drinks. Probably add a little bit of flavor to it. But that is the organic Black Maca. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.